Tank truck flow to calibration tank system. Usage tutorial. Please read the user manual and operation guide before calibrating the tank. Note 1. Confirm whether there is a tank gauge on site. If not, it is necessary to prepare additional tank gauge and install and debug them on site. Calibrate the height and temperature of the tank gauge. If yes, ensure that the tank gauge can be used normally. 2. It is necessary to ensure that the initial fuel level of the fuel tank to be calibrated is less than or equal to 300 mm, and the amount of oil in the tank after unloading must reach at least 90% of the tank capacity. The less the margin, the higher the accuracy of the bottom calibration, the larger the unloading amount, and the higher the accuracy of the top calibration. 3. During the process of calibrating the fuel tank, it is recommended to change the chamber and unload the fuel no more than once. This process may cause fuel loss and increase the error of the calibration tank. 4. If the chamber is changed, each chamber in the tank needs to have residual oil stored to ensure that the unloading pipeline is filled with air without bubbles, and to ensure that the unloading flow rate is not less than 10 cubic meters per hour. 5. At least 12 valid measurement points must be generated in order to generate a tank table properly. 6. When the unloading volume exceeds 200 liters, about 53 gal each time, the SM60 console can only read the unloading volume data. However, it's recommended to have a single unloading volume of 1000 liters about 264 gal, with a minimum of 800 liters about 212 gal. 7. Calibration tank duration, at least 3 hours per tank, and the corresponding fuel dispenser is prohibited from selling oil during the calibration period. 8. Before calibrating the fuel tank, please confirm the switching time of the app's power supply at the gas station and try to avoid performing tank calibration operations in the event of a power outage. 9. The gas station needs to provide tank size parameters or regional tank table Excel. 10. Calibration of fuel tanks is prohibited in thunderstorm weather. Suggestions for fuel unloading plan. 20 cubic meter storage tank, number of unloading points and unloading volume. 30 cubic meters storage tank, number of unloading points and unloading volume. 50 cubic meter storage tank, number of unloading points and unloading volume. Wind bell flow to calibration tank system. Demonstration tutorial. Part 1. WBSS 160 plus ATG protocol settings. Ensure the connection between the probe and SS160 plus console. Setting communication protocols. First, click on the settings, then click on the login. 3. Click on the interface. 4. Click on the PC protocol, select Other. 5. Click on the probe protocol, select Single. 6. Click on the unit setup, select Integer. 7. Click Save and then click OK to set successfully. 8. Click on the back, start setting fuel tank parameter. 9. Click on the tank. 10. Select tank number 1. 11. Click on the status, select Valid. 12. Click on the diameter, enter the actual value. 13. Click on the volume, enter the actual value. 14. Click on the oil type, select the actual oil type. 15. After setting the parameters, click on Save, then return to the home page. Part 2. WBSS 160 plus console setting of calibration tank. 1. Click on the settings, then click on the login. 2. Click on the probe. 3. Select tank number 1. 4. Click on the oil value, enter the actual value. 5. Click on the Save to return to the home page. Part 3. Equipment Connect. 1. SS160 Plus console and SM-SOX0 console connect. Data synchronization between two consoles indicates successful connection. 2. 4-meter and tank truck unloading port connect. Tank truck unloading port. Connect the flow meter inlet to the unloading port of the tank truck. Connect the flow meter outlet to the unloading port of the tank. Three. Cable reel and SM60 console. 4-meter connect. Cable reel. Cable reel and SM60 console connect. Cable reel and flow meter connect. Part 4. Flow meter and SM60 console settings. 1. Flow meter oil product settings and flow zeroing. Long press the red button until the flow zeroing. Long press the yellow button to change the oil product. 2. Attempting to unload oil greater than or equal to 200 liters, about 56 gallons. Simultaneously open the oil unloading port. During oil unloading, after unloading without any abnormalities, clear the flow meter data and SM60 console data. The first unloading of 200 liter about 56 gear is to fill the unloading pipeline while ensuring accurate data collection from the tank gauge. This record needs to be deleted. Afterwards, the official unloading of the oil will begin. Click on the Clear, then click on the OK. Part 5. Start tank calibration. Suggest unloading capacity greater than or equal to 1000 liters, about 256 gear. Simultaneously open the oil unloading port. When the unloading amount is reached, close the unloading port valve. The SM60 console successfully obtains data and provides feedback on the valve opening signal. Comparison of data between SM60 console and SS160 Plus console. Repeat the unloading operation according to the unloading plan and obtain all unloading data. After obtaining the data, generate a tank table on the SM60 console. Export after inserting a USB disk. USB disk format is FAT32. Click on Tank Generate. Enter the actual tank parameters. Click on Generate Table. After waiting for the calibration complete, click on Export Table. Insert USB disk. Select tank number and click on Search. After loading the data, click Export. Calibration completed. Thank you for watching.